We all know mobile phone has become the integral part of our life, and we also know that nothing is so secured without protection, and in this case we have a protection in our smartphone also. And now I am going to discuss about it in my Samsung A6 Plus phone. Now I am going to unpack the packet. I am unpacking this packet, and it is the COVID-19 time, so I am disinfecting its surface that is come from the online company. I have sprayed the sanitizer over it, and now I am disinfecting it. I am going to disinfecting it, and I have already disinfected, and with my pair of scissor, I am cutting the packet now. Yes, I am going to cut this packet. Yes, here is the seal, and I am going to cut the seal from this side at first, and I will try to do from the other side at first. You can see the corner now. This is the corner. And I am now see the rough plastic is here, rough plastic, and the fleshy plastic is here. The fleshy plastic is to protect from the outer edges, as I have said already in the previous cases. And you can see the packet also, and packy also. The pack is here. It is of hard plastic. The plastic is hard, quite hard plastic it is. The plastic is quite hard. I am cutting the inner packet now, actually in which the back cover is. At the back cover, see, and now you can see it is the hard plastic. The camera blank and the flashlight blank is here. You can see this all is there, and I am going to disinfect these also. Yes, using my sanitizer I am going to do this. I will spray it over this also, and I am going to spray it, and then I am smoothing it all the sides like this, and here also, and I'm going to smoothing these also like this. I am going to this, and here I have done this. Here you can see here this is I am doing this here. This is I am clearing the surface in all the cases, and here the pack is ready to cover the phone now. You can see the phone. Here is the flashlight, and here it is. See here the flash ready will be set up, and I am not this side. It will be quite gaudy, and no, not this side, and this will be fine. And see the back, and press it, see it is here, and you can see this is here. So here this is, and you can see all this. Bye bye.